Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting review of the Kids Beginner Microscope Science Kit with 100X-1200X magnifications. This microscope kit is perfect for kids aged 5, 7 and 8, 12, and it comes with 13 prepared slides, 31 blank slides, and many more accessories to embark on scientific adventures in any setting. With adjustable LED light and high-quality 18 mm diameter glass eyepieces, this microscope kit offers the power to see the unseen, captivating kids and adults alike. The detailed learning guide and easy-to-follow instructions make it easy for kids to make their own slides, just like a real scientist. This engaging child's microscope kit nurtures children's curiosity and encourages STEM learning, making it an ideal gift that fosters educational growth and bonding. Plus, with UR's STEM series, satisfaction is guaranteed. If your experience is anything less than extraordinary, let us know so we can make it right for you. So, if you're looking for the perfect educational toy that's a whole lot of fun, click the link in the description to get your Kids Beginner Microscope Science Kit today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting reviews and educational content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.